This is part 5 of the Kiss Your Clutter Goodbye series. In this series, we're exploring organizing concepts that will help you declutter and maintain your newly organized spaces. Clearing clutter is not a one-size-fits-all, and it usually can't be done in one day. This concept will help you feel that the things you no longer need in your life, but still have life left in them, you can pass on to someone else. There are many options for you to consider, and find one that resonates with you, and you'll find success for what you're looking for. This concept is called clearing up for a cause. Sometimes it's easier to let go when you know that your things will have a new life with someone else, whether you decide to donate to a charity or have a yard sale. Let someone else benefit from the items you no longer use. Schedule a date for a yard sale and get some neighbors to join you, or call a local charity and arrange for a pickup. This will give you a deadline to finish your organizing project. There are 3 tips that will help you declutter for a cause. Find a charity that will pick up at your home, or check the times that they are open for donation drop-offs. Ask if there are any specific items that the charity needs or does not accept. If you would not give the item to a friend because of its condition, then don't donate it. It works if you consider your items will be used immediately by someone new, as opposed to lingering in your home. You may want to consider options like a buy nothing group, or listing things for free on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. Or you could make a little cash by having a yard sale. Have you been trying the concepts in this series? Leave a comment on this post and let me know what's working for you, and definitely follow along for the different strategies to get rid of what's holding you back. And kiss your clutter goodbye.